Welcome students in the online classes. In this video we are going to study about the dispersal of seed. So what is dispersal of seed, children? It is simply spreading or scattering of the seed from one place to the another place. Children, it is very much necessary for seeds to be dispersed out. If all the seeds will germinate near the mother plant, the seedling will not get enough sunlight, air and nutrient. Children, you can see in the picture, these birds are spreading the seeds and all the seedlings are growing just near the mother plant. So if this type of spreading will take place, what will happen? All the seedling will have competition among each other to get the air, warmth, nutrition. So in this way they will not have a proper growth of plant. They will not become a good plant. Some of them will die, some will be malnourished. So that is why scattering is important. So the process of scattering of seed to different places is known as dispersal of seed. And plants are having various method of seed dispersal which we will be seeing. So students, the next agent or the first agent of dispersal of seed is by wind. So children, wind also plays an important role in scattering out the seeds. So you can see in the picture the example of dandelion seeds. So children, these are very light weighted and have hair like structures. They are having fine structures. You can see in this picture, this is the example of cotton seed. These are also very light weighted. So since they are light weighted, they can easily carried by the wind. So as they are carried by the wind, they are scattered in different places. So as they are scattered, they are grown. So in this way, scattering helps in dispersal of seed. So you can see in the picture the seeds of maple. So maple is also an example of dispersal of seed by wind. So they are having wings like structure which help them in spreading out or scattering of the seed. So this is also an example of the dispersal of seed. So students, next agent of dispersal of seed is water. So dispersal by water takes place in some aquatic plants such as coconut. Coconut are grown near the coastal areas. So as they are grown, they are fallen into water and then they are carried by the water. So in some plants which grow near the water body, we can also take the example of water lily, which you can see in the picture here, and you can see their seeds. So they also float and thus they are dispersed by water. So their seed floats on water and dispersed by it. Why seeds of the coconut are easily carried? Because they are having rough fibrous covering which are having plenty of air spaces inside of it. If you open it, you can see the free spaces. So these spaces help the seed to float on water, and then they are carried away easily by the water to far places, and then in that particular area the coconut grows or a new plant grows in that particular region. Next dispersal agent is by animals. So you can see in this picture, this is the example of hitchhiker seed. So this type of seeds are like spine. So they stuck to the body of the animal or fur of the animal. You might have, when you go to the field, wild field, this type of seed gets stick to your clothes also. So in this way, these are carried to different places. This is also an example of beggar tick seed. So these are get stick to the body or fur of the dogs, and in this way they are carried. So students, you can see in this picture that bird is also an agent of dispersal of seed. So what they do, they eat the fleshy part of the fruit like the fruits of guava and then berries, and they eat the fleshy part of it and drop the seed. So as they are dropping in different places. So these are growing and spreading in different places. There are example like this example of squirrel which you are seeing here. Then the example of chimpanzee eating watermelon and dropping the seeds of it. So as they are dropping while they are eating, they are also carried away this seed to the distant places. Next and last which you are seeing is dispersal by bursting or explosion. So this is the example of violet seed. So there are some fruits which burst open when they are mature. You can see the picture or example of ladyfinger. So the force of bursting spreads the seed far away. So as they are burst out, they are spread it into far places. So there are various example like pea pods, ladyfinger, violet. So these are agents of dispersal.